Uh, okay, I'm going to do something new things because picking you people will be irritated sometimes. There is some zone picking also there. There is some multi order pickings are there. There are another thing is a cluster picking that will discuss later because what happened you suppose I'll discuss these things you people will be means gone means mad. So cluster I just zone picking I just describe the funda will configure next class no issue I'll today I will give you some new things. Okay, zone picking means what happened. I'll tell you where is that. Okay, so what happened generally our warehouse this many this many aisles are there, this many racks are this one, aisles is the road, shelf is the this one, every shelf is 2 bins. So what happened actually in warehouse these things zone 1, this is zone 2, zone 3. There are number of because what happened every location they have just configured one zone having 10 location, zone 2 having 10 location, zone 3 having 5 location, just like they have divided because this is a big warehouse. This is you can see this warehouse is very big. So it is very difficult to instruct to the worker to go to the location. So he will search the location. It will take time. So for for eradicate this confusion, they are dividing the location, multiple location into zones. So you should instruct to the warehouse worker go to the zone 2. So when you open the mobile device, it will show that yeah, zone A000 item is available in zone 2. When you click the zone 2, scan the means there is a some scanner board is there. Every zone there is a scanner board. Every location has a scanner board. So when they scan the zone 2, it will automatically display A0002 item is available in location 3. He will go to the location 3. He will scan the location 3. It will display that A0002 item is available in aisles 1, rack 2, shelf 2, like that. It will look like that. So this is called zone picking. Suppose the warehouse is divided into zones. I will describe you later on. Multi-order picking is same as group picking. There are multiple orders are there. You will pick. Cluster picking means what? I will tell you. Suppose the warehouse worker. Okay, the warehouse worker. 1 second. Suppose. Okay. Suppose this. I'm putting some new color. Orange. Don't think this is a house. So this is something extra. This is. This is I'm putting something black. So just imagine I can't means draw the picture. This is the trawler. You can see when someone is picking or someone is doing something, there is a some forklift. Means in warehouse worker, this is called forklift. There is a something container. The warehouse worker, suppose Gyan is the warehouse worker. What he will do? This is the forklift. Means this is just like a container. Don't think this is look like that. So each container, each the container having 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5 into 4, 20, 20. I will show you once. 1 second. Warehouse container. Warehouse. Uh, Not container. This is called forklift. Forklift. This is called forklift. Uh, okay, 1 second. This is called something. Okay, yeah. So yeah. This is correct. So what happened when warehouse worker will go to collect the item, they will collect the item like that. What they will do? 1 second. I will do. Yeah, like that. Okay. I will just zoom it. What happened? It's not zooming out. Okay. I just open this zoom. Something what happened. So what happened? this is not the proper way. This is the picking positions. But when they are going to pick the item, these many 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. There's 30 boxes are there. So in cluster picking, what happened? He will pick the item, how many are there. So suppose you are picking one T-shirt, keep in the first box, second T-shirt, keep in the second box, third T-shirt, putting the third box. So this is called cluster picking. He will picking the item, putting in one box. So how will you configure? This will take time. So ignore this one. These three we will discuss later on. Suppose I'll discuss this three, you will be forget all the things. So today, next 1 hour, we will do something new called packing station. Okay, so everything has been done. Sorry. So remember, we have picked singular picking, group picking, then wave picking, piece picking. We have already picked the item. Now, what we'll do? Because suppose this is the picking process, and we'll put in bed or the bed or sometimes, but sometimes we'll put in the packing station. I told you at the time when I given the something, uh, you can see receiving and packing. Okay, I'll show you the packing station, how it is look like. This is picking. You can see this is the packing. This is the boxes. This is a cartoon boxes. This is a pallet inside the one wooden cost is a pallet. So because suppose you are purchasing multiple things, suppose 4-5 things. So what you will do, you just pack the item in proper way, because it will be means dispatching from a long way. So the packing should be correct, or else that it will hamper in your product. So how will you do that? So this is very difficult one. I will try to describe you in simple way. So if you want take some break, you can take it, because this is not that much of difficult, but we have to touch number of means number of what can I say, number of screens. So if you want, just tell me that I will give you five, or we'll take some 5-minute break, then we'll come back, because if you confusing that that whole process will be confusing. I'm just closing. What you can say, Sanjay and Rajendra, we'll start or we'll wait some 2-3 minutes.
Okay, sir. Okay.
We'll take some 2-minute break.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Just now is 12:17 in India. In Indian time. So at least we'll take 2-3 minutes. After that, we'll come back. Okay. Sanjay and Rajendra, you are there?
Yes, yes, I'm there.
Yeah. Sanjay?
Yes, sir. I'm here. I'm here.
Okay. You can see my screen, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
See my screen. Okay. So where is the environment? Where is the environment? Okay. So now what happened? We are going to do the packing station. It is not that much of difficult, but I'm just trying to. I was thinking how people will understand. Well, this is what we have to touch number of forms here. So listen very carefully. Okay, so I'm going to start from scratch. What will people will do? Because what happened, the advanced warehouse management, that's why, because it is, I'm not telling you this is difficult. When I was also started, I was thinking this is very lengthy, very clunky, but when you are used to it, it will be very easy. Since you have to at least do at least 1 2 project related advanced warehouse management, that will be very easy. So I just open some tabs. Okay. So packing station means what actually? In warehouse, what happened? I just open the form. So, okay. So this is the location. This is the bulk location. There are number of items are there where whether I'm just taking this 2 item only example because we are configuring related to that A0001 and 0002. This bulk location we have putting number of items whether A0001 item, A0002 item, that also they are organizing decent manner, but this is called bulk location. We are putting just like a maximum more items. In picking location, they will pick the item. This is the location how they'll pick the items. Okay. After that, pick the item, the work completed. After that, what they will do, they will send to pack location. So in pack location, there are multiple scenarios there. I'm telling you, there are 30-40 scenarios are there. But the main scenario I'm going to tell where it is something difficult, something complex one, and something easy one also. So I'm just mixing and tell you. So what happened? They are using these boxes. So there are 2 kinds of boxes out there where you will full the item and pack it and send to your location where that item going to load in the truck or something. And second packing is there where item are packed, but still there are some more spaces are there where you can put some other item also. There what happened? So there what happened? There are 2 kinds of boxes are there. One is fully packed. There is means you can say that closed box. There is no need to already the item has been put and there is no space. There are partially packed where open box where you can put some item, you can put some more item, that put some more item. That means still work is pending. Okay, still work is pending. There are these 2 scenarios I'm going to tell. There are multiple scenarios are there where oh, leave it. Okay, that will be confusing. Okay, so today I'm going to see full packed. Suppose the box is, because generally what happened, you purchasing one item, that doesn't mean that Rajendra is purchasing one item, one box. They'll keep, suppose one you are purchasing one shoe, one boot, so you should pack the item. That doesn't mean that in your box Sanjay item will also will keep inside the box. That will not happen. Generally, what happened when one company, one B2B transaction is happening where multiple same kind of quantity, suppose they are purchasing motherboards, they want some 10 20 boxes of motherboards. They are searching which box is empty, they'll put there. So they are using generally, but generally in e-commerce they are using closed box only. Okay, so let it be. So first here what happened, we are first creating one location. I'm just writing here. Okay, I'll do one by one. First point in packing station is create one location called pack. Okay, so I'm going to the system. See very carefully. Go to the warehouse because we are doing from scratch. So we are creating one location, but generally location already there. Packing location already there. Okay, go to the warehouse. Setup warehouse. Location type. First, I'll create the location type. Suppose I'll create a location type. Let's see. Already GPack is there. So I'm creating, suppose, uh, packing. Okay, GPacking is there. I think GPack is there. Okay, I'm putting GPacking. Okay, save it. Location type completed. Then I'm going to format how the packing location look like that. Click it new. Okay, packing location profile. Copy. Okay, location profile. I'm taking pack only. I don't want any means IELTS or something. I just only put putting 10 quantity. Length is 10. Okay, pack location is 10th. Now location type completed, location format completed, location profile. So I should give some condition for the location profile. Location is there already. Okay. So pack location already there. I'm creating a new G packing location profile. Okay, packing location profile. Location format I'm giving, which I've created now. Sorry. This is pic format. Packing. I've given location profile like that. Okay, so this is the location format. Location type, which I've created now is GPacking. Okay, and this is license plate tracking. Okay, allow mix item. Okay, negative inventory not required. Mix inventory status. Okay, inventory batches. Okay, save it. Okay, so location type completed, location format completed, location profile completed. Now I'm going to create one location for packing. So create warehouse, my warehouse G main warehouse. Location can say that G pack location. Suppose one location already there, 111. Okay. Location profile, which I have created just now. G packing location profile. Okay. So still now my pack location is free. There is no item is there. So now what happened? I have created the pack location. This has been done. Okay. Now, so location has been created. Okay. Now I'm going to do some setups. Go this form I just keep open. I'm going to the next form, next step. Go to the warehouse management. Pull up solve setup warehouse management parameter. Okay, in general tab, location type is there. You should keep your type. I'm taking G packing is my type. Save it. Okay, in packing, LE tot reuse and not LE tot reuse. I have already told you that means the boxes suppose some cartoon boxes is returning back to our warehouse, that should be used. Okay, you should keep as it is. Yes, this is optional, but you should keep as it is. Okay, save it. Now warehouse is my, yeah. Second is warehouse management WMS parameter. Done. Okay. Third. So in third, I'm going to create one directive code. What is directive code? Because generally when you are creating location directive or what template, you are creating one directive code called BEDOR, because you are linking the location directive and what template. Now I'm going to create one directive code called GPEC. Already GPEC is there. Okay, I've created earlier GPEC. Okay, this location directive code I am created because the directive code will link between the location directive and war template. So directive code configured done is called GPEC. Okay. Now go to location directive, setup and location directive. Go to my pick location as it is. There is no changes because I will pick from anywhere. Same as edit query where the location profile gpick location, because gpick location is linked with different locations. So I put as it is. Okay. But now my put location is back location, not BEDOR. Okay, that also I'll show you. I'm going to my G main WH. Here I just edit, put my directive code as GPEC. Got it? I will put the same directive code in what template. I put the, now I'm not putting, I'm putting in packing location. Okay, I will not edit this one. Okay, no issue. I click edit query. I remove the location profile ID. Sorry, 1 second. I put my location profile ID should be, what is my location profile ID? G packing location profile. So that means the item will be replaced the location which is linked with the G packing location profile. This is a BEDOR location profile, not it. Okay, G packing location profile. Click it. Okay. Done. Save it. Second, multiple in this SKU, I'm putting the directive code as GPEC. I'm putting the location profile as G packing location profile. Okay. Packing location profile. Same funda, not an issue. I'm putting in packing location profile. Click it. Okay. Save it. So now fourth point is location directive. Now, okay. What temp? Now the location directive completed. Now go to the what template. Collapse all, setup, work, what template. This is, you can see very carefully. I just select my what template. I'm putting the directive code as GPEC because in location directive I have taken the directive code as GPEC. Then now the location directive and what template is interlinked. Save it. But this is also what template. You can create another what template in packing container picking. Here what happened? Here what happened? There are two things are there. See very carefully. I'm not because who has created by default in the Microsoft, they have not given any edit query. So there is no warehouse. This two are template, you can use any warehouse. The warehouse is not mentioned. So what happened? This two what template is there. Listen very carefully. I am taking the first 62. You just ignore 60 to 62. I'm using, suppose I will use this what template means. Suppose my container, my box is fully filled, packed, then it will put in bay door. Suppose my box is not fully filled, we'll put in staging location. Ignore this one, that we will discuss later on. Ignore this one. What is staging? How will you create this pick put? Ignore this one. I'm just describing you. Suppose my box is fully filled. There is no need to create work. There is no need to put any other item. Then my box will be put in this bay door and the work class ID should be pack contain. That means go to the view details and my work order type should be packed container picking. Okay. Suppose my box is not fully filled, then he will pick the item, put in the some other location, some staging location, whether he will put some other item or is he will do some quality check, whatever he want, then put in the bay door. So leave the second one, first one. I'm going to check only this one, pick to bay door. Okay. Now what template has been completed? Okay, so this has been done. So what we did now as of now, create one location, pack location, parameter we set it up, directive code pack location directive set it up, what template set it up. Now 6. We check container type. So you may ask me one question. I was telling about boxes, but why we are saying only container? Because generally in practically what happened, we are using as a container these are the containers. Okay. We'll put some item. This is the total. Suppose this we can use as a boxes also. We can use as a container. Okay. Suppose this is fully filled. Then we'll directly send to our bed. Suppose you, this is a means so you are using big warehouse. Suppose we are fully filled. Directly send to this container to our bed and load this container to shipment big truck and send it, or else we'll put some work. So leave it. Don't be confused. Okay. So till now, we have completed one location, pack location, warehouse parameter, directive code, location directive, what template. Now I'm going to create one container type. Go to the setup, container type. Already Microsoft has given some containers, box large, total weight, maximum weight, medium box, total weight, maximum net weight, something, box small. So there are number of containers are there. As of now, I'm using box medium. Okay. After container type has been done. Already you can use the by default. Okay. Now container packing policy. So we'll do some policies. Go to the container, go to the setup, container packing policies. Here already I have created. Okay. So what I told you, I have created the same thing. Suppose my container is fully closed. I send it automatic release and I send it directly to our bed or location final set. Okay. You can see there is a condition make available at final shipping location because my container is fully closed. There is no need to create work. So I'm select make container final shipping location. Default location is G bed or my bed or location. Suppose my container having some item, some space. Warehouse automatic release create work to move container from packing station. Means it will send to packing station to pack some other item. And what template I have given 62 pick bed or what I have shown to you just now. Okay. So this is, suppose you are using picks to stage, you will put to stage, or pick to bed or pick it to bed. Not an issue. This is you depend. Suppose you want to check some quality check, you put in stage, or directly to send to pick bedor. So this is the container policies. Container policy is nothing but what you want. Whether the container is fully full, close the container, send it directly bedor, or else suppose container having some space, create a work and move container from packing station. Okay. Once this has been container packing policy completed, it is packing profile. Go to close this one, go to packing profile. Okay. So here also I have already created. You can see nothing. You should click it new. Suppose G main close. Okay. Put it. This is for close container. Container packing. What you have created in the container policies, you select this one. This is close container. Container type, I am putting automatic close. I'm using container type is medium box. Okay. And same as you will create another one with work. I'm deleting this one. This is duplicate. Okay. We'll create this packing profile. 9 is packing profile done. So this has been done. So now what happened? We will going to create one sales order. Okay. I'm going to create one sales order. Suppose I am using this customer. The main suppose my item is A0001 10 quantity. Same work created. I'm putting setup is automatic. Okay, click it. Another item A0002. Suppose put it 8 quantity. $5 per each. I'm putting it automatic. Save it and release it. Let's see the work is created proper or not. Okay, the work created. Let's see the work details. Okay, so you can see pick item and put in packing location. Now 9 is sales order created, 10 is work created. Okay. Now I just location as it is, work template as it is. I'm opening a new tab. So here what happens, till now our work has been completed. So now how will you, who will pick and who will pick and where you will put, how will you know? The worker will do that. Okay, so we'll set it up. Go to the warehouse management. You can see shipment, no shipment, outbound waste, not outbound waste. So where is that work? Packing and containerization. Packing and containerization, pack option is there. So there is nothing is coming. Okay. The worker details, nothing. The worker details is showing and disable. Okay. So I am going to create one worker. Go to the next step. Because for creation of worker, you should go to where? HR. Where is the HR? Yeah, human resource. Worker, create worker. Create new worker. I have already created. My name was, let's see, Gyan. I'm putting Gyan only. Gyan. Okay. Just put your name and last name You will use my cancel it. I'm not this one. My employment start date maybe January 1st. Click it higher. Okay, put first name and last name and employee start date and hire. Then Gyan Hota has been created. After worker has been created, go to your user, system administration, user. Select your user. What is user? My user is Gyan. Okay. Select my user. Here person is there. You select what the worker name. What is the worker name? Gyan. Once again it will come. Yeah, Gyan Hota came. Select this one. Select. One select, save it. Okay. Now the worker created and linked with user. Done. Now come to 12th. Create worker, warehouse worker. Okay. Warehouse worker. Go to another tab, warehouse management, collapse solve, setup, worker. Create new. Select your worker name Gyan. Gyan Hota. Select this one. Save it. Give the warehouse G main. Location is your packing location by default. Put it new. User ID. Suppose I am taking GDH user ID. Copy paste. Default warehouse is G main. Putting something main or something. Okay, save it. It will ask the password. Put something. Password. Okay. Here you can see container packing policy and packing profile. Suppose I'm using the packing profile EG main close. It will the container packing policy will come automatically. Save it. So it is also done. 13. Now packing station. So why I have used this one? Here also the checkbox is there. You can over picking location. You can select this one. Okay. Suppose I am going to packing and containerization. Go to pack. It will come automatically. There is no need to putting manually every time. So I just it came automatically. Gyan Hota, site, main warehouse, location, and my packing profile is G main. Okay. Now where is my work? This is my work. So 1 second. Okay. So now, okay, click it OK. In packing station, click it OK. Okay. So now check that this is the packing form. Here asking license plate or shipment. You should copy the shipment ID. This one you should copy. Go to the packing station, paste here. Click outside. It will come automatically everything. Oh, sorry, I have not closed the work. Oh, sorry. Yeah, I have to close the work first. So go to the mobile device. First, you have to before putting the license or shipment, you should close the work. I have not closed the work because till now he has not picked and put in the packing station, packing location. Then how he will pack the item. So go to the Action. My is GDH, na? GDH. Sorry. H. Okay, cells outbound. C cells are picking. I'm going to the my work, copy the work ID, paste here. Yes, LP is LP 000001 item. Oh, I have not removed the condition here. Mobile device. Okay, A0001 quantity 1. Okay, A0001 quantity 1. Okay, remove the condition in the because I forgot to remove the condition 1. Okay, I'm putting 2. Let's see. Okay, it's completed. Now I'm putting the rest of the 5. Click it OK. Click it OK. Next item. The piece picking methods I have not removed actually. Item putting 5 quantity I am directly putting. Okay. Okay. So rest of the 3. So now I pick the item and put in G packing location for packing the item. Click it OK. Once it's closed. Okay, it's closed. Now I'm going to again the packing station. Click it OK. I just copy the shipping ID in the packing station. Click outside. You can see the open lines has come. Okay. Select one. Create new container. One container automatically came. Container type is box. This container ID came because of number sequence. And type, if you want to change, you can change, but I'm using box medium. Click it OK. Now select this one. Okay, no issue. So item select this one. Put the quantity as 9. Okay, because already I've and select this identifier as A0001. This A0001 has been packed. This is one way, or else select the item new container. If you want to select the existing container, then you can select the container ID here, the same container, or else you will create a new container. I want to create new container for this item. Click OK. New container is created. You can put the quantity is 8 and identifier, select the item. This is also packed, or else select this one and pack the container. I have forgot to tell you one thing. And close the container. In click close container, get system weight 37 gross weight came and kg, put kg or milligram, whatever it is, put this one, and location is G door. Click it OK. Okay, so suppose you will go to the container station, open container. You can see one open container is there because what happened, this item I have not closed till now. So select this one and close the container. Get system weight kg. Now you can see open container station. Any open container is there? There is no open container. Any thing is there? Closed container? There is no closed container. Already both the container is shipped. Select the container for shipment. You can see both the container loaded and ready for shipment. Got it? Now close the form. Our work has been done. Now close the form. Okay, close the form, or else go to the work details, refresh, go to the shipment. Okay, both these are there. Confirm shipment. Shipment has been confirmed. Create packing slip, and that's it. That is the packing station. So there are number of forms we have used. People will confusing, but don't worry. I'm just giving packing station. Then 14th is container. Create new container. Create container. Yeah, close container. Then confirm shipment. Packing slip. 18 is invoice. Okay, so my packing slip has been done now. This is the something. Okay, something credit management is going on for the particular customer. Okay, not an issue. I'm going to the sales order. Oh, sorry. Something network issue. Now you can do that same. The invoice it and do it. Got that idea, Sanjay and Rajender? Don't worry. You will be when you will be doing. You will be easily understand what is going on.
Yeah,
What
so we
is
have to do and try actually.
yeah, you should try because this is the simplest way. Because if suppose I will tell you very simple way, you people will be confusing at the time of doing. You should remember these things. I am just sending this process to. You should go through a spelling mistake is receipt. Let it Sanjay. Which one? Sanjay. This one. The first one, I think. Sanjay. Which one your Gmail ID?
First one, first one.
First one. Okay. And Rajan. This one. Okay. So one. So people will do that. Okay, once you do that, because suppose I am telling everything today, that will be confusing. Today we'll do one thing, create again singular picking, group picking, wave picking, piece picking, and packing station. Okay. Then I'm going to wrap up now because suppose I'll say everything today, it will be seriously confusing to all. Okay. Rajan, you got that how it is working?
Yeah, I think I have to spend time.
Yeah, you both have to spend time because warehouse management, I'm telling you now, at the time when I started this section for product information management, I'm telling you, warehouse management is not that much of easy. It is easy. Suppose you will be practicing every day. Once I'm telling you, you should spend at least 1 month or 1 month at least for practicing only warehouse management. After that, you leave as it is. Whenever you will try, you will get all the things. You recall all the things. But it should require some more time to get all the things. So because there are number of things are there in warehouse in packing station. Just I've given the only the overview. There are main first, what is main first, shipping details, release shipment, multiple things are there, open lines, there are multiple things are there. Because I'm telling you, you will create, I know, but how to create the worker, that's the main thing. Because first you create the worker, then link the worker into user, then after you will go, create the worker here. If you will get any issue, use this worker only. Use this worker, not an issue. Okay, so today I'm just wrapping up. You just practice all the things. Okay, in between this week, in between I will take another class to complete some more things, some cycle counting, some replenishment methods. After that we'll go to transfer order, return order, how will you create the disposition code, how will you do everything, we'll do that. How will you do the quality check. There are many more things are there because it's very difficult to close a few classes. At least fundamental will take some time. There are a number of things. Cycle counting, it will take hardly half an hour. There is nothing much is there in cycle counting. Replenishment methods, it take time. Then after complete the warehouse whole process, how it will use the return order and transfer order, that we will discuss, because in warehouse management there is no return or transfer order, but we will use this warehouse management into the transfer order and return order. There we will check how we'll do that. Okay. Okay, guys, you people will practice.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Okay, Rajendra and Sanjay,
Thank
do
you.
practice.
Thank you.
Okay.
Yeah, bye.